I sped the process up for you guys in regards to the recipe. Was inspired by Sister Elvira, and she mentioned oranges, lemon, ginger, carrots, apples, and pineapple. So at this point, that's the only thing I'm missing. I'm gonna run to the refrigerator and I'll be right back. And I am back with the pineapples. I was not able to find pineapples already chopped up for me. And you know, if you all know, I like everything practical. So this is the pineapple. So we have all the ingredients here, and I will start juicing. Okay, I just finished up my second batch, and as you can see, this cup is full and I still have ingredients, so I guess I'll save some again for another day. I'll just go ahead after we finish up with this video and just do all of it so that way I can have some leftovers in the refrigerator. But this is how it looked, guys. It has all that good stuff in there. I will definitely, each one of these ingredients, I would let you all know down in the description the benefit of each one, because